Human evolution is a story that dates back millions of years, tracing the journey from small, tree-dwelling ancestors to the modern humans we are today. Along the way, our lineage took many forms, each providing clues about our origins and how we became who we are. Fossils, bones, and ancient landscapes tell a story of survival, adaptation, and change. The terms hominid and hominin both refer to members of the primate family. Hominids include all extinct and living great apes. This includes modern humans, chimpanzees, gorillas, orangutans, and their immediate ancestors. Hominins are a subgroup of hominids that includes modern humans, extinct human species, and all their immediate ancestors, including so-called dead ends, meaning ancestral lines that became extinct after diverging from the main human lineage or earlier branches. For more details, please take a look at my video titled Hominids and Hominin. The hominin lineage begins when the branch, leading to modern humans, split from chimpanzees, about 7 million years ago. Paleoanthropologists, scientists, who study ancient humans, have identified over 20 extinct hominin species in the fossil record. While the relationships among them remain unresolved, features of the fossils allow us to group them into genera, including Homo, the genus of modern humans. The fossils also show a general trend over time towards bipedalism, increased height and relatively slender musculature, enhanced hand manipulation ability, and larger brains with flatter faces, meaning less prognathic, with reduced brow ridges, and a decrease in the size of the teeth and jaw robustness. Fossil evidence shows that hominin evolution started around 7 million years ago. During this period, many species appeared and vanished, with only our species, Homo sapiens, surviving to today. Environmental changes primarily drive evolution in hominids. Since modern apes live in environments thought to be similar to those that existed when and where our common ancestors lived in Africa about 7 million years ago, it makes sense that our earliest ancestors would have more ape-like features. Although the amount of data collected is enormous and continues to increase, you must understand that the trends indicated by the data are what matter for our study of evolution. Don't get caught up in species-specific details. Instead, focus on the trends observed over the past 7 million years in both biological and cultural evolution. Biological evolution examines the development of bipedalism, skull features, cranial capacity, and manipulative hands. Cultural evolution examines trends in stone tool use, fire, clothing, food gathering, lifestyles, and communication. In this video, we explore the features of one of our hominin ancestors, Ardipithecus, ramidus. Ardipithecus ramidus is one of the earliest known hominins, dating back about 4.4 million years. Its fossils were uncovered in Ethiopia's Afar region, with the most famous specimen, nicknamed Ardi, revealed to the world in 2009. Physically, Ardipithecus ramidus was small, standing about 1.2 meters tall and weighing around 50 kilograms. Its brain was also small, roughly 300 to 350 cubic centimeters in size, comparable to that of modern chimpanzees. The teeth, however, told a different story. The smaller canine teeth compared to apes suggested a shift away from the dominance and aggression seen in many primate species, hinting at early social changes in our lineage. The skeleton of Ardi revealed a fascinating mosaic of traits. The pelvis showed adaptations for upright walking, while the grasping big toe suggested that this ancestor was still well suited for climbing trees. Unlike chimpanzees, it did not knuckle walk. Instead, Ardipithecus likely combined tree climbing with an early form of bipedalism on the ground, moving in ways that foreshadowed later human ancestors. Environmental evidence suggests that Ardipithecus ramidus lived in woodland and forested areas, rather than the open savannas, once thought to be the cradle of bipedalism. This challenged earlier theories by showing that upright walking began before humans left the forest environment. Its diet likely consisted of fruits, nuts, leaves, and possibly small invertebrates, making it a flexible feeder. The significance of Ardipithecus ramidus lies in its position in our evolutionary story. It was not fully like an ape, and not yet human-like, but something in between. Its combination of traits shows that the last common ancestor of humans and chimpanzees may have been less like modern chimps than scientists once assumed. By bridging life in the trees and on the ground, Ardi helps us understand the deep roots of what it means to be human. Thanks for watching this episode on hominin evolution. See you soon with another educational video. Until then, happy learning.